guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm very excited because I'm going to be unboxing for you guys Madame Glam New York box. And this is a beauty supply, a nail supply company. They have gel nails, regular nail polishes, different tools, etc. They have many things. I'm going to put you a little preview of their sites right here. And I'm going to unbox what they sent me, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial for you guys of how I did my gel nails using all the products that they sent me to complete this. And I do have a non-affiliate code with them of 30% off, which I will be putting it right here as well. And I will be putting everything I used to create my nails for today in my description, as well as the discount code. So let's get started to the unboxing, and don't forget to stay tuned for the end so you guys can see how I created my gel nails. Okay, so this is what they sent me. They did send me a mini UV LED lamp. They sent me 2 of the base and top coats, and they sent me 3 neutral nail polishes, which I will be showing you guys right now. So the first thing is the Madame Glam Soak Off Base Coat. So this is what you use. This is actually the first step when you do your nail polishes. So you put this in your nails as the base coat. Then you go ahead and use the little lamp they sent me, which they probably have, which they do have this lamp separate, and I believe they have different kits and stuff that you guys can check it out. So this is the mini UV LED lamp. So it comes with the USB cable, and this is the mini lamp, which is like super cute, and it has 2 different settings. This is the lamp. It actually looks like a mouse or something. So then this is the legs right here, which you extend it out. Okay, so it opens like this. So you have this, and it does, in order to work, you have to connect it to the plug, and it has 2 different settings. So the first one will be 45 seconds, and then the second one you have to touch it again and it will be 60 seconds, and then the third is to turn it off. So then what I do, I first put in the base coat, and then I did 2, so I did 60 seconds, and then I went ahead and put on the gel nail polish, which the one that I use is this one. That's, what's the color? It's called MB. So this is the first color I use. I hope you guys can see it right there. That's the color I used. It's a really pretty like purple shade. And then after doing that, which was 60 seconds inside the UV LED light machine, and then I put a base coat, which is again 60 seconds in there, and then your nails will be perfect for and that's it. They will be curated like that. So one thing that I did do, it helps a lot after you do the whole process of the gel nail. I put alcohol, like I rub alcohol, like a little cotton of alcohol on top of it, so it takes out that sticky feeling of the nail. And then I just use oil for the cuticles, and that's it. You're ready to go. It's like super easy and convenient to use at home. Now the other colors they sent me is this one that's called My Oh My, which is a really pretty pastel pink, so you can see. And then the last color they sent me is called Proud Nude, which is a really pretty nude as well. It's like a beige, I would say. So all of these colors are on the neutral side, and they did tell me to choose more or less what type of colors I like. If I like bright colors, like neutrals, which is in the case that I chose. And they were nice enough to send me this whole kit to share with you guys and to share the code with you guys so you can purchase. So now stay tuned. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and do the mini tutorial. Okay guys, so the first thing I did right here is I make sure that I prep my nails before applying the products for the gel. So I pushed my cuticles, and I already had used the buffer to remove any shine from my nails. And now the next thing you do is use the base coat for all of your nails. Make sure you do it slowly to make sure that you don't mess up your nails. But either way, there's always time to clean up before putting it in the UV LED lamp. So after doing that, I got the lamp and I put 60 seconds to curate my nails. And then I went ahead and got the Soak Off Gel Polish in the shade Envy, which I love. This is kind of like a light pastel purple shade, and I really love it. And I did go very slowly, but know that after I finish putting the color in all of my fingers, I went ahead and cleaned up all the excess. And it's important to do this before putting it in the lamp in order to make sure that it's curated to your finger and none of the polish goes on your actual skin. Also, disclaimer, I'm not an expert at nails or I'm not a nail tech. I'm just a nail enthusiast person that loves to do my nails at home, and every day it's a learning experience, and I hope that I can teach you in some way. Also note that the UV LED lamp, it's a mini, so it did fit perfectly for my fingers, but the last one I had to go in again 60 seconds for itself in order to make sure that all of my nails fingers got the right amount of time in order to the nail polish to actually go in the finger and it doesn't dissolve otherwise. So this is actually the perfect kit to start off at home your gel polish journey, and I really enjoyed it. Now after I did that, I started with the top coat, and this is the last step that you're gonna do in order to curate your gel polish. After you put everything in all of your fingers, you make sure that you don't have any excess product in your skin, and then you go ahead and use the lamp again. Started with the 4 fingers, and then I went ahead and the last finger I did 60 seconds again to make sure that everything was in order. Okay, so now for the last step, I went ahead and got an alcohol wipe, and I wiped down all of the nails to make sure that I didn't have that sticky feeling. And lastly, I got a cuticle oil and put it in all of the fingers. And this is it. This is how I do my gel polish at home using Madame Glam New York products. That's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much, Madame Glam, for sending me this amazing gel kit to try at home. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.